all of you. Today we start an important and a unique chapter, that is fundamental rights. These fundamental rights are four key features of our constitution. Now let's understand what are fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which are granted to all citizens. It means that fundamentals are the basic rights of every citizen that a citizen has and give right to all citizens. They are applied without discrimination on the basis of race, religion, gender, etc. They are applied on every people without any discrimination like race, religion, or any etc. Significantly, fundamental rights are enforceable by the court subject to certain conditions. These are applied on every citizen. Every citizen can take fundamental rights. If their rights are violent, they can take constitutional remedies. Next, fundamental rights are referred as the concise of Indian Constitution. There is a word concise. What is the meaning of concise? Concise meaning knowledge. Fundamental rights are referred as the knowledge of Constitution. Fundamental rights acknowledge the right of minorities against the majority. If there is any minority of reason and on the other side is a majority of reason, that the government takes both rights. They can give rights to both minorities and majorities. Types of fundamental rights. There are 6 types of fundamental rights. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of reason, cultural and educational right to constitutional remedy. First, let's understand what is right to equality. The Constitution says that the government shall not deny any person in India equality before the law or the equal protection of the law. It means that the law applies in the same manner to all regardless of a person's status. That is, if any person is some lower caste and some higher caste, the government should give to all the same equality. We can see in this that all persons have same equality. Right to freedom. The right to freedom is a fundamental right granted by the Constitution. This right gives all citizens the liberty to live and work freely within the territory of India. The Constitution also protects the right of individual against arbitrary state action. Right to freedom means that this is the word freedom. We can know what is freedom. Freedom means whatever you want, we can do it freely. In this, the government give right to all persons that they want, they can do freely. Right against exploitation. The right against exploitation is written in Article 23 and 24 of Indian Constitution. These are important fundamental rights that guarantee every citizen protection from any kind of forced labor. In this, there are 3 types. First is human trafficking. Human trafficking means the buying or selling of illegal things across the borders. Second is forced labor. Any person is forced to do some work is called forced labor. And third one is work forcibly done with the children under the age of 14 years. Sometimes children are do work in the industries. These are bad. Next, right to freedom of religion. Everyone has a right to freedom of thoughts and religion. This right includes freedom to change his religion or belief and freedom, either alone or in community with others, and in public or private, his religion or belief in worship, teaching practices and observance. Right to freedom means every person that he wants, he can choose with their choice of religion. No one is forced that he can choose this religion. Cultural and educational right. In India, cultural and educational right means the right of all sections of society that save their culture, script or language. They can set up their own educational institution in order to preserve and develop their own culture. In cultural and educational right, every person has, if there is a minority in their culture, they can do anything. They can make colleges,